Hi, this is John with WETI, and this goes out to one of my biggest things in my childhood. I remember when my mom used to make me and my brothers some chocolate, and this is where this Munne hard chocolate tables comes into place. So in my country, this is pretty much a cultural thing. You get one of these guys, you put it into hot milk or water. Sometimes I prefer milk, and you just like scramble it, and it's gonna make the whole mixture of a great quality flavor of chocolate. But I use this into several situations. So as I played different sport, football, soccer, and basketball, uh, sometimes my insulin levels goes down and I get a little bit of a headache. And having one of these guys always around, it just does a great job for me. I use this with my oatmeal too, or while making just a normal chocolate. And the texture of this chocolate is pretty nice. It's soft and small and smooth. And at the same time, you can just make it into little chunks into your shakes or your oatmeal, whatever you want to do with this. So this is a high quality and great flavored chocolate and suitable for different occasions. So this was Sean with WTI, and that was my point of view.